In this video, we're going to be looking at rearranging an algebraic formula. Before we start, we have to understand this rule. Plus times plus gives plus. 2 times 2 gives 4. Minus times plus gives minus. Minus 2 times 2 gives minus 4. Minus times minus gives plus. So, minus 2 times minus 2 gives 4. Okay, the question is asking us to make x the subject. We have to rearrange this equation to make x on its own. That's what making the subject means. It has to be on its own and positive. So how are we going to do this? We can see that y is added to x to give 2. So in order to get x on its own, we have to subtract y on both sides. We do it on both sides because the equals is like a balancing scale. Whatever we do to one, we have to do to the other. So we get x equals 2 minus y. Now we can see that x is on its own and we know we're done. Now a simpler way is not writing this minus x. You can simply just transfer it over. So x equals 2 minus y. Again, it's asking us to make x the subject. We have 3x plus 5 gives y. So we can see that this plus 5 is attached to the 3x. So in order to get rid of it, we minus 5 on this side. And what we do to one side, we do on the other. So minus 5. So 3x equals y minus 5. Now we can see that x is not on its own. It has a 3. This 3 is a coefficient and it tells the number of times we have x. So 3x basically means 3 times by x. So in order to get rid of the 3, we have to divide by 3 on both sides. So our final answer is x equals y minus 5 over 3. We don't have to write these steps, so in a simplified version, we can do 3x equals y minus 5 and x equals y minus 5 over 3. And finally, this question is asking us to make 2 the subject. So what we could do is transfer this 2 over there, and then we'll transfer the x back down. So we'll see how this works. Since we're dividing by 2, we're going to multiply by 2 on both sides. So we get 3y plus 10 gives 2x. Now to get rid of this x, we divide by x on both sides. So final answer is 3y plus 10 over x equals 2. So we don't have to show these steps here. So we can simply write 3y plus 10 equals 2x. And then 3y plus 10 over x equals 2. Okay, I would like you to try these questions. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, hopefully you're confident on rearranging algebraic formula. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.